So let's take a look at a little activity that I put together in Flipgrid, trying to play around with some of the creative aspects of the app, as well as just thinking of ideas of how students could use it in a fun way. So what I created was like a Taskmaster type challenge activity. And what happens within this is they have to complete the task and then share their response, as you would with most Flipgrid activities. But then they get the answer to the question, which leads them to the next challenge. Thereby, they kind of continually go through these different challenges in order to get to the next challenge. And ultimately, the last challenge is for them to create one for themselves. So I'm trying to kind of play around with linking the groups together, or what were grids before, what are now the groups. And then having the topics in there as the challenge itself. So in this first one, it's just a welcome video, and then the challenge is to build as a tall a tower as they can using the cards in a playing deck of cards. So a bit of creativity in it. And then what happens is they would share their response as normal, and then their next challenge is with the join code, card tower, and then the number of playing cards. So they have to work out how many playing cards there are in a deck. For example, like I said, card tower 46, but it's not 46. So that what they then do then is they would go to the next challenge, which is card tower 52, don't tell them. And then that takes them to the next challenge. So in this challenge, they have a sheet of A4 paper. They have to see how far it can go. Again, there's a video over here that sort of talks through the process and sets the challenge for them. They record their response, and then again they have a code to go to the next challenge, which is how long is a piece of paper to the nearest centimetre. Again, for example, paper challenge 12, though it's not 12. And then they carry on like that. So let's go to that one, paper challenge 30. Again, that takes them to the next challenge then. This one is about colour, so mixing colours. So they're really simple challenges, right? This is just a concept to put out for other people to play around with as an idea of linking the groups together. So in this one, they're going to go around the house to a scavenger hunt to find things that red and yellow make. Okay, so obviously red and yellow makes orange. So they're going around the house, they're going to find as many things that are orange, then they're going to build a big 3D collage, maybe in their garden, in their front room, depending on how many things they can find. Build a picture out of all of those things orange, and then obviously film their whole process. And then their final thing is their code, which is my, whatever the colour is, picture. In this case, obviously it's orange. So again, let's go to that. So my orange picture. We'll take them to their final task, where there's a congratulations video showing them, great, well done, if you've completed all of the challenges. And then the last challenge, which is to say, now record your own. So they've gone through a set of challenges, had a bit of fun, played around with some different activities, and now the activity is to record their own challenge for other people. And that's when we're going to kind of really build on the response and comments from other people playing around with their challenges, but then making their own challenges, setting their own topics, and really just kind of building that whole community of fun and activity within Flipgrid. So there we go, nice and simple. Took a while to kind of get it set up in my head, how the code from one needs to link to a topic in another so that everything would link up. But, once it's made, it's pretty simple to sort of go through the process. And it's just utilising all of the fun features of Flipgrid and how it all links together. So I'd love to see how you get on with it. If you have a go at mine, please do share some of those challenges. And if you've created your own based on this, please drop us a comment and share what you've done.